Hey guys, welcome back to Crypto in Action. In this video, I will be analyzing the price of Bitcoin with you guys. I will be talking about the Bitcoin bull trap that has happened here. Okay, the last few days, Bitcoin has been making some pretty huge move. It first of all was trading at 25,000. Okay, it was trading at 25,000, about 3 weeks ago. And then from 25,000, it got rejected massively and started falling. Okay, now as Bitcoin was falling, it was just breaking support after support. So it broke the 22,000 support, and then it went ahead and broke the 21,500 support. Now this was a big deal because the 21,500 support is a pretty large support, and since Bitcoin broke that support, the expectation was that it's going to start falling. Okay, it's supposed to continue to fall all the way down to like 18,000. Okay, that's where I had my price target set up. But once Bitcoin broke this 25,500 support, what ended up happening is that it started retracing back, okay, which was a huge surprise. It started retracing back and ended up breaking back above the 21,500 support. And my friend, this caused a lot of traders to get liquidated. Over 300 million was liquidated because of this bull trap. This is where the bull trap began, because a lot of traders, once they saw that Bitcoin broke 21,500, they began shorting Bitcoin, expecting that the price will continue to drop lower. But no, instead, Bitcoin started retracing and was able to liquidate so many traders that shorted Bitcoin. And now the second trap that Bitcoin created was when it came to 25,000. This is going to be seen better on the 4-hour time frame. So if you go to the 4-hour time frame, you'll see here. Let me delete this here. Okay, so if you came to the 4-hour time frame, you'll see, we all know that 25,200 was a big resistance for Bitcoin. And if Bitcoin was able to successfully break this resistance, then we expect the price to go up. But instead, what happened is that, Bitcoin created the illusion that it's breaking the 25,200 resistance. Here on the 4-hour time frame, it actually did that. You can clearly see that we got a bullish 4-hour candle close above 25,200. It even managed to go all the way to 26,500. And then from there, right after this 4-hour candle close, what happened? We got a massive bearish candle, which completely engulfed the previous bullish candle that supposedly broke this resistance here. So this was the second trap that Bitcoin set for a lot of the bulls. So it set a trap for bears, and then it set a trap for the bulls. So yeah, this is pretty it's pretty sad that the Bitcoin market does this a lot. It literally just traps both traders, the ones who long it and the ones who short it. But yeah, that's why when you're trading Bitcoin, you want to always don't be too confident in thinking that, this is where the price is going. Never be too confident in your analysis, because this is the kind of things that can happen. Bitcoin can just literally create false breakouts that make you think that the price is going this way, but instead it actually goes the opposite way. So always set your stop losses and all that. Trade with money that you can afford to lose. And so now let's try to make a prediction as to where we think Bitcoin is heading. As you can see, yes, we did get rejected at the resistance of 25,200. And because of this, I believe there is another major dump that's coming in the Bitcoin price. And this dump, I believe, should bring Bitcoin down to 21,000. Okay, 21,000 is where I see Bitcoin going, just because if it was able to easily break that resistance, it just tells me that that resistance is not a very strong resistance. Since Bitcoin was able to just easily break back above it, then it can easily break back below it. Okay, so this is where I see Bitcoin heading. You know, it's heading down to 21,000, and this is going to be in alignment with the CME gap that here. Okay, so there's a CME gap here between what is it? So it's between 20,300 and 21,000. So there's a CME gap right there, which Bitcoin might end up coming to fill in. Okay, so yeah, this is what's happening in the Bitcoin price. Expect to see a major dump in the Bitcoin price here in the next coming days. Okay, if it doesn't happen right away, the price might just end up going sideways, you know, and then start falling. But yeah, this is it for the analysis. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hit the like button if you did. Subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.